Features. Mussels are bivalve mollusks that have several distinguishable features that help identify them. Here are some key characteristics. 1. Shell shape and color. Mussels have two hinged shells that are typically elongated and oval-shaped. The color of the shell can vary, but it is often dark brown or black, with occasional patches of green or blue. 2. Byssal threads. Mussels have a unique adaptation called byssal threads. These are strong, thread-like structures that the mussel uses to attach itself to rocks, piers, or other surfaces in aquatic environments. Byssal threads are made of a protein called byssus, which helps mussels anchor themselves in place. 3. Ribs. The outer surface of a mussel shell often has prominent ribs or ridges. These ridges run from the hinge to the edge of the shell and provide structural support to the shell. 4. Hinge ligament. Mussels have a flexible hinge ligament that connects the two shells. This ligament allows the shells to open and close, enabling the mussel to control its intake of water and filter feed. 5. Foot. Mussels possess a muscular foot that they use for locomotion. The foot allows the mussel to burrow into the sediment or move along surfaces. 6. Siphons. Mussels have two siphons, which are specialized tubes used for feeding and respiration. One siphon draws in water, while the other expels waste and excess water. The siphons can often be seen protruding from the mussel's shell when it is submerged. 7. Internal anatomy. Inside the mussel's shell, you will find various internal organs, including the digestive system, gills for respiration and filter feeding, and a muscular system for movement. These features collectively help distinguish mussels from other organisms and contribute to the unique biology and ecological role in freshwater and marine ecosystems.